Hey everyone, and welcome to the School Counseling Department screencast on the Multi-Year Academic Planner, MYAP. Moving forward, this is how you will register for courses at the high school, as well as be able to create and modify your four-year plan. Before we get started, I want to point out that your window to register closes on February 22nd, and the Counseling Department has created several opportunities for you to see us beforehand if needed. The Multi-Year Academic Planner, MYAP, is accessible on your student portal through Infinite Campus. You'll be able to go in and create an academic plan for your high school career. Registration for 10th grade will be pulled from what you enter in your plan. Next year, you will have time to edit your 11th and 12th grade courses in your academic plan before registration occurs. There is a wealth of information online that you should use for registration, all of which can be found on the Edina High School Counseling Department's website. Refer to the course catalog for course descriptions, prerequisites, and pathways. The updated registration PowerPoint is a must-see that talks about grade-level graduation requirements and has a note for prospective NCAA athletes. Finally, your graduation checklist sheet is available to view and print on the website. Don't overlook your teachers when it comes to registration. They have worked with you all year and can provide great insight on what courses are most appropriate for next year. Once February 22nd hits, your registration is final and will not be changed. So have these conversations now. Here's a screenshot of our webpage, and you can see all these resources under the Registration Course Information tab. Here's a quick view of your graduation requirements. Remember that you have access through Infinite Campus to your transcripts and can see what you still need. Remember to ask yourself how the courses you are registering for fit your goals. If you're thinking about attending a four-year college, we encourage your academic four-year plan to have 4 years of core subject areas, including world language. So to access MYAP, you will log in through your portal and access Infinite Campus. When you get to Infinite Campus, you will see an index of items on the left of your screen. You will notice two new items called Academic Planner and Academic Progress. We're going to start by looking at the Academic Planner. The Academic Planner is how you both map out your four-year plan and register for courses. In other words, the courses you enter for the next academic year in your planner are what you register for, including alternates. Don't worry, the future years beyond this are only planned, and you will have several opportunities down the road to modify your plan. So, click Academic Planner, and you'll notice an academic plan has been chosen for you. The Counseling Department has assigned this plan to help keep you on track for graduating with the Edina High School diploma. If you'd like to choose a postgrad location or plan from the drop-down box, you're welcome to. This will have no impact. We're going to click Next now. Here, you will see the academic planner sorted into grade level columns, starting in 9th grade and going from left to right, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. The rows are sorted by the subject credit category. For example, language arts refers to the English courses that you need to graduate high school. Next, each grade column at the top have numbers referring to the number of credits. Please know that students should be enrolling in at least 12 credit-bearing courses each year and no more than 14 credits. Each semester can contain 7 courses or credits, totaling 14 courses credits over the academic year. The courses you are currently taking will auto-populate in this visual. You cannot change what you are currently taking or have planned for semester 2. Please pay attention to the alerts as well. These will help guide you to meet requirements for high school graduation. As you scroll down the screen, you'll see different credit types or subject areas. Electives will house courses such as business, world language, Project Lead the Way. And remember, although world language is in the elective category, please remember this is a common admissions requirement for four-year colleges. You will also notice student prep under non-credit. If you assign yourself 2 student preps, 1 each semester, the max number of credits you can take is 12. In other words, you could have 6 credit-bearing courses and 1 student prep, hitting your 7 courses in your 7-period day for that semester. All students will have advisory uploaded in their planner. You need these. Finally, alternates are listed below. You must satisfy the total in the box. Remember, courses are only offered based on student registration. When your academic planner is open, like it is during the registration period, you can click on any open box, scroll through, or type in a course. Remember, a full-year course requires both semesters. Also, you do have access to a version of the course catalog through MYAP on the top right-hand search bar. You can type in a course number or a course name and select it. When you select it, you can read the course description as well as indicate where you'd like it to be placed. As you're adding courses to your planner, be aware of the alerts and the credit totals. If you attempt to save your plan before it is complete, an alert screen will pop up and you must resolve it. So again, these alerts are telling you what you still need to do. And remember, your credit amounts need to be between 12 and 14. So if I attempt to save this right now, this prompt is going to come up, and I will have to resolve these before it lets me finalize my 4-year plan. Remember, the courses in 10th grade in this column will be used for registration. The courses in the 11th and 12th grade column can be changed at a later date. Please focus on 10th grade and choosing your courses wisely. Now we're going to briefly look at the Academic Progress tab. If you look at the Academic Progress tab before completing your academic planner, you will see several credit type requirements in red. This means you are not on track to complete them. For example, in language arts, you will see you only have 4 of 8 credits on the top. Below that, in course requirements, you will see specific requirements within language arts that are missing. For example, we see that English 12A and English 12B aren't complete in the course requirements below. If we were to scroll down farther, we'd see U.S. literature was missing as well. For science, we see you have 4 of 6 credits. And below, we see a specific requirement for biology missing. So again, these are the specific requirements, and these are going to be the overall totals. If you completed your academic planner, fulfilling all requirements, you should see all the fields highlighted in green in both the total columns as well as the course requirements. Each credit type can be expanded to view the grades and specific courses. If your current grades ever drop below passing, the green credit total will turn from green to orange. The Academic Progress tab is a way to view your current progress and grades based upon the 4-year plan you created. Remember that your academic planner and registration are linked. The courses you add to your grade 10 plan will be used for registration. Remember, you must indicate alternates. Courses are offered based upon student registration. If you sign up for an elective that only has 5 students registered for it, it will not run, and we will use your alternates. Double check your grade 10 work and make sure you have 7 courses for each semester and at least 12 credits, 6 per semester. For students considering PSEO, post-secondary enrollment opportunity, you must still register as a full-time student at EHS. Please stop by and talk to your counselor more to talk about PSEO applications and deadlines. Also, stay tuned for flex time opportunities as well, where we'll have speakers from Normandale and the U of M to come talk about PSEO. So here's the timeline. Registration is open till February 22nd. There are posters throughout the building indicating timelines and opportunities to work with a high school counselor. So what's next for you? Well, two things. You have to complete and turn in your registration worksheet to your advisory teacher by February 22nd, and you must also complete your academic planner on Infinite Campus by the 22nd. Remember, on the 23rd, your academic planner will be closed and you will no longer be able to make any changes. So, good luck. Use the opportunities ahead with your advisory teacher, with the school counselors, and with your academic teachers to map out the most successful plan moving forward.